Welcome back to the San Juan Arena as we take a look at our final score. PLDT MyDSL defeating Sistema 25-23, 25-23, and 25-22. As we take a look at some of the final stats first before we actually go to our best player, tignan natin yung ating mga numero.
Hard-fought game. Of course, itong koponan nila Richard Gomez ay talagang pinaghirapan yung kanilang unang panalo, the very first win posted dito sa ating men's division ng PSL Superliga.
Let's check in now with Denise.
Guys, best player of the game is, of course, Mr. Richard Gomez. Richard, so we all know you're an active and healthy guy, and I don't think people were surprised naman that you did an awesome job today. What I want to know is, were you surprised with your performance?
You know, what we do is that we really train hard. The coaches expect us to play well every game. So I'm so happy that this time I didn't let my coach down, and also my team.
And definitely, and because you didn't let your team down, you have a gift certificate from Gilligan's.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Time to enjoy, time to party. But I like to, you know, people from Ormoc are really devastated now. This game's really for them. Thank you.
Thank you, and we thank you all. Back to you guys.
Thank you very much, Denise. And of course, again, we're sending out our love and our prayers, of course, and the very best we possibly can sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin sa Ormoc, sa Tacloban, especially down south dahil ibang klase talaga yung nangyari in the past couple of days during Typhoon Yolanda. Ito, matches on Wednesday, Coach. It's going to be great once again, starting out with our first match. It's going to be a men's division. 2 p.m. po yung ating laro, but we will be airing on a slightly delayed basis. PLDT MyDSL laban sa Signal.
At makikita natin ang mga panibagong mga koponan. We'll see action dito sa ating second conference ng inyong paboritong PSL. Our heart goes out, of course, sa ating mga kababayan dyan sa Eastern Visayas. To Ray Evangelista and family, stay safe, and God bless all of you.
And now we will leave you with the highlights here of day number 1. Remember, kakasabi lang po natin, this is the inaugural day of the Grand Prix edition of the Philippine Superliga. In behalf of Denise Tan, my partner, Coach Ronnie Magsanok, ito po si Anthony Sutay, in behalf of the hardworking men and women of Solar Sports, thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time. Take care, everybody. God bless.